Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best garden fork that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Ames Company's Inc. Garden Fork. The Ames Floral Spading Fork is a great size and weight for working in the garden. With a D-grip handle for extra comfort and control, this particular fork is ideal for raised bed gardening, helping you to get the job done right. At 46.5 inches long, the work is a good size to ensure you're not straining your back or knees whilst being surprisingly light, weighing just 3.7 pounds. If you found yourself digging for hours on end before, you'll know that gardening isn't exactly light work, so you'll appreciate the comfortable handle crafted from hardwood to absorb shock and make your job easier. This also makes a perfect gift for gardeners. Moving on at number 4, we have the True Temper 2,812,204 Tine Garden Fork. This garden fork from True Temper is one of the most popular on Amazon. It's the kind of tool that you buy once and never have to replace, thanks to the high-quality materials and construction. As long as you use it in the correct way, it won't let you down. For starters, it has a 30-inch hardwood handle that's designed for durability and strength. On the end of the handle is a Poly D grip, which provides excellent control and is bolted to the handle to ensure that it doesn't come loose. The actual fork is made from high-density steel and has 4 diamond-pointed tines, designed to penetrate hard and soft earth. Made in the USA, the quality of the True Temper 2,812,200 is undeniable. It might be slightly more expensive than the garden forks you can find at the local hardware store, but you know what they say, buy cheap, buy twice. At number 3, we have the Radius Garden 203 Pro Ergonomic Garden Fork. The Radius Garden 203 Pro is one of the more innovative garden forks on the market. There isn't much room to improve the humble garden fork, but Radius Garden has given it their best shot. The most noticeable improvement is the all-in-one handle and grip. Instead of bolting on a plastic D-grip to a hardwood handle, they've opted to make it out of one piece of resin-encased carbon steel. This makes it much stronger because there are no weak points in the design. You might think that the grip would be harder to hold, but they've covered it in a material that provides excellent traction. The stainless steel fork has 4 thin and sharp tines that penetrate hard earth with ease. You may also like some of these useful garden hose from our list. At number 2, we have the Spear & Jackson R720 Stainless Steel Garden Fork. The traditional stainless steel range of digging and cultivating tools from Spear & Jackson combine traditional English craftsmanship with the latest technology to bring you timeless classics that are functional and durable. The R720 border fork is no exception. With a smaller size head than the other model from Spear & Jackson, this fork is intended for digging and turning over the earth in borders, in between plants or in areas of your garden where space is limited. At 37 inches and 3.15 pounds, it's slightly lighter and shorter than the traditional fork, but most definitely still does the job when it comes to durability, comfort and weatherproofing. Not convinced? The 10-year guarantee might just change your mind. Don't forget to also check our guide to the best matics. And finally at number 1, we have the Spear & Jackson Traditional Children's Garden Fork. If you have a little mini-me that loves to spend time in the garden with you, you'll find it hard to resist this perfectly proportioned stainless steel digging fork created with budding gardeners in mind. Considering Spear & Jackson date all the way back to 1760, it's no wonder they've dominated our review on the best gardening forks up for grabs right now. Of course, traditional children's digging fork is no exception from the craftsmanship and thought-out design that the brand has perfected over the years. Just like the full-sized options, this 32-inch, 1.7-pound fork comes complete with mirror-polished, rust-restraint stainless steel prongs and a vintage-style YD handle for the ultimate performance and comfort. Our handy guide to the best tillers features more great products like this.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.